Guys, my name is Rahul and I am here to teach you Hadoop. So I will teach you Hadoop from very first level to top level. So first of all we will download and then install the VirtualBox. You can download it from Oracle site. You can download the Windows installer. It is of around 114 MB. I have already done with it. And after that you can download the CentOS 7. So download the everything ISO file and minimum as ISO file. So we will continue with minimal ISO file right now. I have already downloaded this minimal ISO file. Left with VirtualBox. I have done with VMware Workstation Pro. So create a new virtual machine. Use the typical option, then do next. Then select the minimal ISO file. Then click on next. Then give the name. I am giving it as CentOS 7. Then do next. Will give the 40 GB for the hard disk. Customize hardware. Give the RAM 2 GB. And then click on finish. Now the installation is start. Test this media and install CentOS 7. Press the enter button. And press enter button again. Installation is start. The CentOS 7 will take 15 to 20 minutes to install. Minimal ISO file takes less time from the in comparison to everything ISO file. Now we select the language option. I have chosen English India. Then click on continue. Then select the date and time, language support, keyboard, security, installation destination. Click on done. Then select the network and hostname. Switch on that Ethernet and then click on configure. Go to the general settings and check on this button and then save and then done with this. Then we can begin this installation. Set the root password. You can set any password here. So now it will take 15 to 20 minutes to install, so that we can parallelly download the other files which will need. So first of all we will download the putty. You can download the putty. Just click on putty.exe and you will get putty.exe and install it. After that, download WinSCP. You can download installation package. After that, download the Java website. Go to the Oracle site, this one, Java SE Runtime Environment 8. Check on accept license agreement and install this one, JRE8U92 Linux. This is the tarball. After that we will download Hadoop. So I will paste all these links to you so that you will not suffer any problem. Or download this tarball Hadoop 1.2.1 bin.r.gz. It is of 36 MB. Download this file. There is a 172 files already installed. Any candidate who is fresher and from any profile like deployment and Oracle DBA and who don't know the Linux can install the Hadoop from this video. I will give you the best way to install Hadoop and later will explain all the things which will use in Hadoop in next video. This video is only for installation of Hadoop. Now 249 is already installed. Let me pause for the video. Now our installation is complete, so that we can reboot the system, CentOS system. Once it start the CentOS machine, then we will use the putty session for configuring the Hadoop. First we will get the IP of the CentOS. We are using the CentOS 7. It is the latest version of CentOS. The login name is root and password now we will check the IP of this machine. We will use the command IP space A. Now we will get the IP is 192.168.228.132. Now we will use putty. This is putty, and we will enter the IP 192.168.228.132. open this session, click on yes, enter the username, root, and then password. Now you can use putty and you can minimize the VMware. After we have already downloaded the WinSCP, then after downloading this, install the WinSCP. You will get the WinSCP is used to transfer the file from your local system to CentOS machine. I am using this IP and the username is root. We will transfer the Java file and Hadoop file to our CentOS machine. Use this is the Hadoop and this one is Java. Upload these files. Now my first step is configuring the host. And second one is configure reverse DNS. Okay, so we will use VI editor, then go to the this path, now delete this localhost. I am using node1.hadoop.com as a host name. Then we will configure the reverse DNS, use vi etc host. Here we will add the IP first, 192.168.228.132. after that host name node1.hadoop.com, then its name node1, and save it. Now we can SSH our machine using the node1 because we have configured it. Type yes, then password. Now we can see that there is a node1 and previously it was localhost. Okay, so my next step is, let's see, both the files are uploaded successfully on our CentOS machine. Let's close. After that we will create the some directories which will use these are the directory. Just copy paste and run these commands here. All these directories successfully created into our machine, CentOS machine. After that we will configure Java first, so that extract the tarball of Java. We will check we have successfully uploaded the Java and Hadoop file. Use ls command, then Hadoop and Java files are there. Then extract the JDK first, that is Java, and we will use we will tar minus zx vf use jdk file hyphen capital C user and java. This directory we have already created. After that we will set the home java home into the etc profile path, then use vi etc profile. At the end of this file we will add two lines. These are these two files. Add this file and save this file and give it source this file so that the java home file successfully configured into the machine. I think my source spelling is wrong. SOURCE. Now click enter. Now you can check the Java is successfully installed or not using the java -version command. Now we can see that Java is successfully installed. After that we have done with 4 step. Our fourth step was configuring Java. Now our fifth step is adding groups. We will add group Hadoop and then we will add user SD user into the group Hadoop, and then we will set the password for SD user. So we will execute these commands. Add the password for SD user. I am entering Hadoop for it. Again Hadoop is password and username is SD user. So our fifth step is completed. Now come with sixth step. We will extract the Hadoop file. tar hyphen zx vf hyphen capital C and user Hadoop. Press enter. Now you can go into the user, then you will see there is the Hadoop file. As we are seeing that this Hadoop file have only have root permission, but we need to give the permission for SD user and group Hadoop. So we will use the command our 7th step is give permission Hadoop folder to SD user. So we will use this command. Now you will see again to ll list, then permission is changed, because we will start the service using SD user. So we have done with 7 steps. After that we will configure the passwordless SSH. Our 8th step is configure passwordless SSH. So first of all we will log in using SD user. Now we will use the command ssh -keygen. Sorry, ssh-keygen. Press enter the button and select all the default options. Now go to the path cd.ssh and you will get the 2 files, id_rsa and id_rsa.pub. So for configuring the passwordless SSH, we need to copy the id_rsa file to authorized key. So use this command cat space id_rsa.pub into authorized_key. Okay, so now you can do again ll and you can again log in using SD user. Now I am login with root. Now su sd user. Now without using the password we have entered into the SD user. Now our 8th step is completed. Come to the 9th. So now we will configure the bash rc file. Use vi dot bash rc. Here we will add the Hadoop parameter into it. These are the Hadoop home and path. Copy and paste there here. Save it. Here we will configure .bash rc file. So we need to add these two lines. After that we will configure the Hadoop configuration files. So we will go into the path cd user Hadoop 1.2.1, then conf. Here we will configure slave file, Hadoop environment, HDFS site, maplet site and core site XML, and one more is master file. So first we will configure slave and master. Node 1 hadoop.com. This is our host name, and second one is masters. It is same with slave because we are using only one cluster here. Node1 dot hadoop.com. Save it. After that we will configure Hadoop environment vi.sh. Edit this line. Get the JavaHOME as we have already configured. Our JavaHOME cd user java jdk, sorry, pwd for getting path. We will add this and save this file. Now the next one is hdfs site xml. Then I am adding this sorry after that we will configure this file. After that we will configure last file, configure core site xml. So we have done with all the configuration file. Now our next step is format the name node first. So we will use command hadoop name node hyphen format. I think we will miss with some configuration file. Hi guys, we have configured the bash rc file, that is vi.bash rc file. So we need to be left with one thing, that is we need to source the bash rc files .bash rc file. After that you can format the name node hadoop name node hyphen format. Yes, but it gives the message name node format aborted, so we will force format. Now it is successfully formatted. You will get the message name node is successfully formatted. After that you can go to the path cd user Hadoop 1 and then bin ls this file. Then there is one file start all.sh. Run this file directly, then enter. When you enter this, then type yes and enter. Then all the services going to start one by one. Use jps command for checking the services. So job tracker, secondary name node, data node and task tracker all are running successfully. Thank you very much. We have successfully installed Hadoop 1. Thank you guys. In next video we will explain about what is the configuration files and what we can add more parameters into the configuration files. Okay, and we will teach you how to check the logs. So for now, thank you guys, bye.